Hello, in this video I want to share with you this invoice generator or automator that I built. I sell this on Etsy and also on my website, so if you're interested, check out the link in the description. If you purchase this item on my website, it's a little bit cheaper and you get 10% off, so check out the link in the description. So I built this item mainly for small business owners so that they could automatically create an invoice and then send the invoice PDF to their customer with a click of a button. So it saves the small business owner a lot of time, and it creates a lot of efficiency and a lot of value for the small business owner. So let me show you how it works. So this item here, it only works with Google Sheet. It does not work with Excel. So it has two tabs. The first tab is the settings. So this is where you go and you set up your company name, your company address, company phone number, and company email. And if you have a company logo, you can click on this and then you can insert your logo as well. And then here is where you set up all your product and service description and then the price associated with that product or description. And so when you go to the invoice, you can just select, the product or description, and then the price for that item would automatically populate, and you just need to put the amount. Okay, all right, so let's just do an example real quick. So you get this item, you can go to settings, right, change your company information here, and if you want to insert a logo, so let's say you go insert a logo, you can click on that, and here this menu or this box will pop up and ask you what do you want to insert. So here I'm just gonna insert an example. So I'll just go here and then we'll just take a picture of that. And then we can hit insert right here. We'll just take that logo and insert it as an example. So it'll take a few seconds for it to upload, and you can see it's a successful, and you can come here and you can see it's inserted there. So it'll go right there for you. And then here on the invoice, right, assuming you already have everything set up on your setting, you can just come here and put whoever you're billing it to. So let's say you're going to bill it to John Doe, right? So John Doe, you can change the address, the phone number, and the email. And here you can set up the issue date. So when you're sending out this invoice, invoice number, invoice due date, PO number. And here you can just go and select the services that you provide, and then here you can just put quantity. All right, you can just put quantity and it automatically calculates. And here we have discount. You can put a discount, maybe discount of like $200. And then the tax rate, if there's a tax, you can change it up here. So we have like 10%, you notice it will change it 10%, so like say 6.5%, right? And then here it automatically calculates the tax and it will add up the total. So basically it's just these three here. And then if there's any amount that you already received from this customer, let's say you receive $1,000, so you can see the balance due is this much here. And here is the terms and condition. You can change this if you want. So if you want it for every 20 days or 15%, you can change as well. And here you can change this as well. Change it here and here. And the make check payable to, it always be your company name because it's linked to your company name up here. So once you're done with this and everything looks good, you can generate the invoice. So you just go to the tool up here. So it has an invoice generator. Click on that and then hit generate and send invoice. So here a box will open up, and then here you can preview what the invoice look like before you send to the customer. So here you can click here to preview your invoice PDF. So another tab will open up in Google Chrome or the web browser that you're using, and then you can see what your invoice look like. So if it looks good, then you can either download it or print it, or you can close it out. So that looks good to me. So I'm just gonna go back here and I'm just gonna enter in the customer's email. Right here, and then you can just put any message that you want, and if you want to send a copy to yourself, just click this and it should send to your email address that you're using this in. And then you can hit send invoice, and then we can see what it looks like. Okay, here, so you can see that when it's sent, this is my other email that I made it sent to. You can see it gives the invoice number and then the company name. And then you click on this, you can see it says hello John Doe. This is the name of the individual that we have it billed to, and then this is the message, and then it says best regard, your company name LLC. So if you change your company name to something else, it should have your company name up here, and you can see the invoices here, right? It's attached. So that's pretty neat, right? It'll save you a lot of time. So basically you can see, right, the John Doe is the bill to, and then the company names are company name here, and then the invoice number. So that's basically how this invoice generator works. So I think this could save, small business owner a lot of time, and it could give you a lot of value. So if you're interested in this item, please check it out. And if you need me to modify or make adjustment to this item, please reach out to me. I'm happy to work with you on this. Thank you.